are unveiling the babies. Mama got scared and ran away because the tree trimmers are here. And now I got a chance to look and see what's in here. Oh my God, they're so cute. What do we got? Oh my gosh, look at that. Isn't it adorable? Look at him. Hi, baby. Oh. He's so cute and so fat. He is full. Here's number one. Let's try number two. Okay, this one's a lot smaller. And he's black. Look at that. Oh gosh, they're cute. Okay, there you go. Uh-oh, falling in the trench. Here's number three, and a black and white one. Oh my goodness, they're so cute. They look just like Mama. And number four is fell in the hole here. Come here, baby. Oh my goodness. You just ate a whole bunch because you are the fattest. Here. Yeah, where's your mama? She ran away. She was scared, wasn't she? Yeah. He was scared. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 gray and 2 black.